This feeling's like no other. I want you to know. I never had someone who knows me like you do. The way you do. I never had someone as good for me as you. So long before I finally found what I've been looking for. The So happy birthday, ate. Thank you for being with me since day one ko. So, I picked this High School Musical song because talagang you're what I've been looking for. Di ko nga alam kung ba't ka niya iniwan eh. Kasi yun ang nga lahat eh. Charot! For today, ikaw na muna yung mas maganda sa atin. Pero for today lang. Thank you kasi kahit makulit ako, and yeah, nasa-survive mo ako. Like, tinaasa ng maraming tao. Paano mo nasa-survive na makasama si Leila the whole day, every day? Pero you just smile and say, well, that's the best part about her. Nagkaroon ng times na may conflict sa atin, like, I was insecure about you and you were insecure sa akin. Pero, I want you to know that you're my favorite sister. You're the best lalo na sa pagganda. Idol kita eh. You're really pretty, crush kita. Kasi nag-camera ako eh, kaya maganda na. Plus, you're so smart and sobrang dedicated ka sa service. And I love you for that. Sana dumami pa dates natin and kanta natin together and hope na we can build a stronger relationship. Ako muna karelasyon mo. Love you.
Picture muna ang Caro Sisters, Leila and Tisha. Okay. Hindi ka na yun. Okay, huwag kang malis muna Leila and Tisha. Let's call all the singers on stage. Kayo lahat.